Motivation's a funny thing. It can move you to the same action for entirely different reasons. We talk with a potential customer who is focused on the large amounts of money they could save by adding a robot. It makes sense because it's true. As the person told me, do you know how much less expensive machinery is compared to the cost of labor? This will pay for itself in less than 3 years. After that, this robot gives me free money because I'm not paying for a machine operator. I don't have the cost of constantly recruiting, and I don't have those ugly gaps in production when the operator unexpectedly calls off or just doesn't come back from lunch. Some people are motivated to save money with the robot because they can do that. Some people are motivated to make more money with the robot because it does that too. Regardless of the motivation, the robot is the solution to the problem. To learn more about how a purpose-built machine-tending robot can help save money and make more money, call us at 866-952-9020, then press 1 to start the conversation. RoboJob-USA, first in CNC automation.